What do you get somebody that you've known almost your entire life? I've known Chase for a really long time. I think about almost 18 years. I've known his brother for almost 23. But we've done a lot of things together. We've done short films together. We've played tons and tons of video games together, hours and hours, hung out for days at times. So, what do you get somebody that you've known this long?
Well, you 3D print them the Master Sword, of course.
So, a month before his birthday, I started up my printer and started printing the Master Sword.
Well, now comes the gluing part.
Now with the sword completely glued together, I need to start sanding. It was also at this time that I started 3D printing a sheath for the sword, and also I moved and I had to keep sanding, and I used some primer, but the sword broke, and I used Posca markers to color the entire thing, and it broke again. Let's take a look at the final product, shall we? I want you to have it.
Want me to have it?
It's your birthday gift.
Dude, thing's been falling apart since I got here.
I've glued it.
Oh,
It's fixed.
cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.